What's up everybody, I hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome back to another analysis and also a prediction update on Ethereum or Ether, ETH, whatever you want to call it. Which I wanted to cover today for no particular reason. I mean, I think it's a great project. Obviously, it's one of the biggest projects. A lot of you have invested in it. It's one of the most used projects and there's a lot going on with Ethereum 2.0, which we should call the merge, I think. So yeah, I just wanted to cover it today. If we take a look at the volume, it's still relatively high. It's at 9.1% of the market cap. Compared to other big cryptos, that's actually quite a lot. So that's great, but we have been falling, which was expected. That's also what we said in the last analysis. Right now we're at 1,063. Have fallen below that. Am I still recording? Yeah, I've fallen below that key area around $1,100. So we kind of had a bearish breakout, which we will definitely feel. But I want in this video, I wanted to take a look at what I think is most likely to happen next, but also a little bit, which is very important, about tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll have inflation rate numbers at 2:30 in the afternoon for me. So that's GMT +2. So yeah, that's we're also going to be talking about how that influences things. So for now, what I expect is going to happen is I think we're going to find some support here at 1,050. From there, take a break retest off of 1,100 and then start to fall down towards 1,000. Now we might hit 1,000 before those inflation rate numbers tomorrow, but we could also still be in that journey down. Right, and then the inflation rate numbers hit. If they're actually lower than expected, which would be bullish, I think Ethereum can immediately start from that bottom we will put in somewhere around 1,000. We can immediately start to try to break 1,100 again. And once we've broken above 1,100, to try to get up to that upper bound of this. I mean, arguably we could call it a consolidation. Something like this with one fake out. So I think we could immediately start to trend back up towards that upper bound at around 1,250 if the inflation rate is lower than expected, which would obviously be something we would hope for. And I'm not saying we will have a big bull run, but it could definitely be in days, right? It could be very quick. The other side of the story though, and if the inflation rate is really higher than expected, I'm not sure what the market has calculated or has like priced in yet, because the market always feels something. There's always sentiment in the market. And I'm not sure what the sentiment right now is, but if, for example, people feel like the inflation is slowing down a little bit, and if it's then higher than expected, that would cause a big crash, right? Probably at least. So what I expect then, if the inflation rate is actually higher than expected for Ethereum, or what I expect for Ethereum, not the inflation rate for Ethereum. And then I expect 1,000 to break and us to drop down to 900. And from there, at this point of time, I'm actually not sure what's going to happen. So I'll do an update on it. I think 900 is going to hold and that we're going to try to get back up towards 1,100 and then from there drop down. But I'm not sure. So I'll put an update out on that if that happens. If nothing happens, if the inflation rate is just as expected, I think we're going to find support at 1,000 and that 1,000 is going to hold, and that will more slowly try to get back up towards 1,250. So yeah, that's basically all I wanted to say about Ethereum for now. So thank you all for watching and listening, and if you do have any questions about anything I said or about the analysis, please let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.